I'm going to show you guys how to log in, see your Essential Rewards order, how to change it, all that good stuff. So we're just going to go right on top here. We're going to sign in. You want to put your sign in information. You could also use your member number as well and your password. So here we are here. Okay, so this is your virtual office. On the left-hand side here, you're going to click on ER monthly order. There's a couple ways to get there, but you want to make sure you're over here, make sure you're in your virtual office, and click on ER monthly order. So this is going to say, please select continue to place a recurring order to edit or create a non-occurring order. So we want to continue because we're going to edit it. If we just wanted to place a one-time order that had nothing to do with our Essential Rewards, you would go to shop. But for now, we are going to check out our Essential Rewards. So here is your little Essential Rewards section. This explains what your monthly order total is. You can view that, what's in your order now. So if I want to view it, I will go down here and this is what's in my order right here. So this little mark might mean that it could be going out of stock or it's limit to 1 per member. So this is what's in my ER now. So if I want to keep what's in here, I will go back and I will save it and not do anything to it, or I can change the order, and I'm going to show you that right now. While we're right here, I want to show you some other things. If you scroll down just a little bit, you can see my processing day is on the 20th. So let's say, since my order already processed, let's say I didn't want to process it on the 20th. Let's say I want to push it all the way to the 24th of September, because right now it's saying it's going out September 20th. So I can change that date here. I can also move it up. If I'm like, you know what, I'm going to need that order before the 20th, I can also move it up. But regardless what you choose, make sure you change the day over here. Make sure you click that so it changes the day. So back here, if you scroll down, you can also process manually. So let's say you know something's going to go out of stock and your ER is not supposed to go out till the 26th of the month and it's the 18th. And you're like, I don't want to have to go through the process of changing the date, but I really want this order right now. You can actually click here and process today. So that gives you the ability to not change the date permanently, but just to process this order right here, right now. If you scroll up, you can go to reward points. So this is showing what your reward points are. I only have basically six reward points because I just used them, but I'm making 25% back on all of my orders because I've been with Young Living on Essential Rewards for 25 or more months. Okay, so from 1 to 3 months, you get 10% back. And then by month 4, you're already earning 20% back, which is incredible. So this is going to be your points, all right? You cannot use your award points, your reward points. You cannot use them for your Essential Rewards order. You can only use your reward points as a one-time order or a shop order. So here you can actually click shop to redeem points. And I can show you how to do that in just a minute. So we're going to go here and we're going to change my order. So you're going to click change order and then you're going to scroll down. You can delete what you don't want and then you can add anything you do want. You can type in here, you can go through each category, check out the catalog. And then down here, this is going to show what you're going to get for free. So I have some freebies coming to me. And you just want to make sure that you have a minimum of 50 PV. So down here it's going to say 160, even though that's $160, most likely it's still 160 PV. So to have your Essential Rewards, you just need a minimum of 50 PV. So you need to make sure that that's going to be at a 50 PV minimum. And then make sure you always save your monthly order. Now I'm going to show you how to use some reward points. So there's a couple ways. You could either just click shop and start shopping and use your reward points there, or you can go to your reward points and you can shop through that section. So I'm going to shop to redeem. This is going to tell you how you can redeem. Continue. We're going to shop. Now I know that 6 PV is probably like a vitality oil, a lip balm. So I'm going to put some, let's do some orange. So I know that Orange Vitality is 6 right here. So if I add, and these little flags, these little purple flags basically show you that you can use your essential rewards with these items. So right here you see the Orange Blossom Moisturizer does not have a flag there, so you cannot use this with your reward points. Same as the tea, you cannot use it with your reward points. So if it has a purple flag, you know it's eligible for reward points. And from there, we're going to add our oil, go all the way down, check out. I think I have a lot of stuff in here. So I'm going to delete all of this just so I can show you. So we go to next step. So when you get to the payment right here, it's going to show your essential rewards. There's account credits. If you have account credits, you just need to make sure you click right here and that's going to use your points. So it's going to show you I have 18 points left. So total $6, total 6, but we use our reward points. So we basically just pay for tax and shipping. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know.